Web Development Crash Course, CSS Fundamentals. Introduction. In the realm of web development, CSS, cascading style sheets, plays a vital role in shaping the visual appearance of websites. It allows developers to control the layout, colors, fonts, and other stylistic aspects of web pages. In this crash course, we will explore the fundamentals of CSS, uncover its syntax, and discover the essential techniques used to style and design captivating web experiences. Interesting stories and examples. Before we delve into the technical details of CSS, let's embark on a journey through some intriguing stories and examples that highlight the power and creativity of CSS. 1. The CSS Zen Garden. The CSS Zen Garden is a famous website showcasing the versatility of CSS. It demonstrates how a single HTML document can be styled in countless ways using only CSS. Designers from around the world contribute their unique styles, showcasing the transformative potential of CSS. 2. The box model. The box model is a fundamental concept in CSS. It defines how elements on a web page are rendered and how their dimensions are calculated. Understanding the box model is crucial for creating layouts, applying margins, borders, and padding to elements, and controlling their positioning. 3. Responsive web design. With the proliferation of mobile devices, responsive web design has become a necessity. CSS media queries allow developers to adapt the layout and styling of a website based on the user's device or screen size. This ensures a consistent and optimal user experience across various devices. 4. CSS Animations and Transitions. CSS enables the creation of captivating animations and transitions without the need for JavaScript. From simple hover effects to complex animations, CSS provides the tools to bring web pages to life and engage users in immersive experiences. Top 12 CSS Fundamentals, Techniques, Methods. 1. Selectors. CSS selectors allow you to target specific elements on a web page and apply styles to them. Selectors can be based on element types, classes, IDs, attributes, and more. Understanding and using selectors effectively is essential for precise styling. 2. Cascade and specificity. The cascade determines how conflicting styles are resolved in CSS. Understanding the concept of specificity helps you control which styles take precedence. Inline styles, IDs, and classes have different levels of specificity, influencing how styles are applied. 3. Box model. The box model defines how elements are rendered in CSS. It consists of the content area, padding, border, and margin. Understanding and manipulating the box model allows you to control the spacing, size, and positioning of elements on the page. 4. Typography. CSS provides various properties for controlling typography, such as font family, font size, font weight, and line height. These properties allow you to define the font style, size, weight, and spacing, enhancing readability and visual appeal. 5. Layout and positioning. CSS offers different techniques for creating layouts and positioning elements on the page. Properties like display, position, float, and flexbox enable you to achieve different layout structures, including responsive designs and grid-based layouts. 6. Colors and gradients. CSS provides extensive options for defining colors. You can use named colors, hexadecimal values, RGB, HSL, or even create gradients. Colors and gradients add vibrancy and visual interest to web pages. 7. Backgrounds. CSS allows you to customize backgrounds using properties like background color, background image, and background size. Backgrounds can be solid colors, images, or gradients, enhancing the visual appeal of your web pages. 8. Borders and box shadows. CSS enables the creation of borders around elements using properties like border width, border color, and border radius. Additionally, box shadows add depth and dimension to elements, making them visually appealing. 9. Transitions and animations. CSS Transitions and Animations bring interactivity and delight to web pages. By defining keyframes and durations, you can animate properties like color, size, position, and opacity, creating engaging user experiences. 10. Responsive design with media queries. Media queries allow you to adapt the layout and styling of web pages based on the user's device or screen size. By applying different styles to different breakpoints, you can create responsive designs that seamlessly adapt to various screen sizes. 11. CSS preprocessors. CSS preprocessors like Sass and Less enhance the capabilities of CSS by introducing variables, mixins, and functions. These preprocessors make CSS more maintainable and efficient, allowing you to write reusable and modular styles. 12. Flexbox and Grid. Flexbox and CSS Grid are powerful layout modules that provide flexible and responsive grid systems. They simplify the process of creating complex layouts, aligning elements, and distributing space within a container. Summarization. CSS is an indispensable tool for web developers, enabling them to transform HTML structures into visually appealing and engaging websites. From selectors and cascade to layout techniques and animations, CSS empowers developers to design immersive user experiences. Understanding the fundamentals of CSS sets the foundation for mastering the art of web design and front-end development. As you embark on your web development journey, continue exploring CSS and its vast capabilities. Stay curious, experiment with different techniques, and challenge yourself to create unique and captivating designs. Remember, CSS is not just a language. It's a canvas where creativity knows no bounds. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for supporting our AnHub Metaverse channel. Please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.